Hey guys, welcome to part 3 of solving this 3x3 cube. So what we have done is solve the top layer, the top layer and the middle layer. So now we're going to move on to be solving this top layer. So I've got this thing. You want it to be pointing not there or there or there. You want it to be pointing up like that, and then you want to do this algorithm. So on the whole, and then so this way, up, right, up prime, and right prime. Wait, and what you should get is this thing, and there will be one here. You don't want it pointing this way or this way. You want it to be pointing up that way with one right here. Then you do this algorithm. And it should get a fish type thing. And you just want to keep it there and do it again. Same algorithm. And you get another fish. Turn the cube around twice, and the fish should be facing this way. Now do the algorithm again. And you should have the top solved. So next time we'll be solving the whole cube. So see you next time.